Today, we're reviewing Calendly, one of the most popular scheduling tools for client calls in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer, coach, or small business owner, this tool promises to cut the back and forth and streamline your calendar. But is it still the best option this year? Let's break it down. Calendly has a super intuitive dashboard. You can create event types for 15, 30, or 16-minute calls and link your Google or Outlook calendar to avoid double booking. The scheduling link is easy to share via email, social media, or even embed on your website. You can customize your availability, add buffer times, and automate reminders via email or SMS. There's even a workflow feature for pro users like sending a follow-up email automatically after someone books. Perfect for client onboarding or discovery calls. If you offer paid consultations, Calendly lets you accept payments upfront through Stripe or PayPal available on the paid plans. You can set pricing per event so no more chasing invoices. The free plan covers basic one-on-one scheduling, while paid plans starting at $10 per month unlock group events, reminders, integrations, and more. For most professionals, the Essentials or Standard plan gives you everything you need. So is Calendly still the best scheduling in 2025? Yes. For solo pros and growing team, it's clean, powerful, and save tons of time.